you want it so badly. For 1 second, I've got something to say. Fuck you, Hugh. You suck as a father. And Jimmy, fuck you for being a cockblocker. Your mom's gonna suck my croissant.
Are you ready, Carl?
I'm ready, Mrs. Neutron.